Identify polynomial from graph. Have a good look at the graph, answer the questions. You can pause the video while you answer the questions and then look into my suggestions. So we need to write characteristics of the given polynomial. It is a continuous smooth curve, so it is a polynomial. Now degree is, as you can see, it's an even degree polynomial. At both ends are facing one side. So we can say even degree. We are, however, not very sure about the degree. We know there are two zeros, right? One zero is at -3, so it could be x plus 3, and that is a linear zero. And the other one, which is at 1, seems to be a cubic zero. So we could write this as x minus 1 to the power of 3, right? And we can actually find the equation of this graph, so by taking some point on the graph. For example, this could be a good point to take, right? Now, this point is already considered, but we could take some other point. Let's say this point could be taken to identify or to find the equation of the graph, right? But anyway, we're not very sure about this degree. It could be 3, it could even be 5, right? Or more, correct? Because flat. But for sure, we can say it's an even degree polynomial. So this degree could be actually, the equation could be x plus 3 times x minus 1 to the power of 5, or even higher, right? Since we are not very sure about it, we cannot say that the degree is 4 or 6 or 8. So, but you can suggest that it could be like that, right? But it's definitely an even degree polynomial. And end behavior is, we can see from here one more thing, and that is leading coefficient, right? Leading coefficient is negative since the graph is going from quadrant 4 to quadrant 1. And end behavior is when x approaches minus infinity, y approaches minus infinity, and when x approaches plus infinity, y also approaches minus infinity. So both sides are same, right? So that indicates that the leading coefficient is negative. Number of zeros. The number of zeros in this graph is 2. Number of turning points. Now that is, you can count from here that it turns only once. So number of turning points is 1. Symmetry is none. Right? So these are the answers to this particular question.